Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So obviously you guys can see from the title and the intro that today's video is a 3-in-1 unit. So this one, I'm going to read all the specs for you guys, but they'll actually be in the video, and then we'll jump into the install part. You already know how we do this. So this is the 3-in-1 HD lace with upgraded clean hairline, and it is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, as you guys can see. The SKU number on this one is LFW95. Now this one is 22 inches long. The density is 180% density. It is a 13x6, so you get a good amount of parting space on this one. Now this is skin melted HD lace, so you guys can see that looks flawless AF. It is an upgraded clean hairline as well too, guys, so you guys can see how pretty and natural the hairline looks. And this is a whole front lace. Well, the whole front lace is bleached, so I did not have to bleach this unit whatsoever, guys. It came to me like this one. I literally just went in and straightened it a little bit, and that was that. Now in today's video, I did go ahead and install a waterproof glue, which is the 𝐖𝐢𝐠, I think it's 𝐖𝐢𝐠 Absolute Wand Lace Wand. So this one, I've tried this product out before, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out again because this is wet and wavy. So I wanted to go ahead and get something that was waterproof so that when I do go ahead and wet this on camera for you guys, that you guys see no slip. I do like the glue. The glue is a little bit tacky. It's more tackier than I usually like, but I do like the hold on it. I felt like it melted super nice on the unit, as you guys can see. And the hairline is flawless AF. The unit looks super pretty, guys, when you go ahead and tuck it behind your ear. Very, very natural looking, very realistic. I kind of feel like the hair actually has more of a nice kind of like thicker texture, like a slight kinky texture. And I like the fact that it's more like that versus being straight, because obviously once I wet this up, it's going to do a nice curl. But I felt like as far as straightening this, I think it did a pretty good job, guys. I feel like the straightening on this one is perfect. Like I said, I wasn't really going for something that was super straight and then like boom, it's curly. So I felt like this has just enough luster, bounce, and shine for a straight like kind of set. So this looks really cute, guys. I did light baby hairs on both sides. I didn't really go crazy, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of the baby hair effect, but I usually like to keep the front perimeter very nice and clean, seeing that this is a clean HD hairline. So you guys can see how pretty this looks. So we're gonna go ahead and wet the hair up. I want to show it to you guys straight first, and then I'm gonna wet it up, let it air dry a little bit, and come back to show you guys what that looks like. But let me go ahead and grab my towel. I will show you guys the install part first, and then we'll come back for the wetting part. guys, so I wanted to go ahead and let the hair air dry out. So this is what the curls look like. The curls are very, very pretty, guys. Such a nice kind of lush curl. It's almost kind of like a loose wave pattern, nothing too kinky, which I like. The hair is very pretty. Obviously 22 inches does go ahead and shorten up once you do wet it. I wanted to show you guys a hairline. Look at the hairline on this. So nice, guys. And the hair is curled wise. Look at how pretty this is right here. Look how pretty this curl is. So the hair is very, very nice, guys. Very, very soft as well too. I did go ahead and put a little bit of the olive oil HD gel on. It's like a black gel, but it does a really nice job in just kind of softening and kind of you know, defining the curls. So I kind of try to use that here and there with my curly hair. You guys know I like to use a can too, but I want to try the gel instead today because I tried it a few weeks ago and the gel was working out really nice. So I wanted to do it with this one and it looks nice and the hair is super soft. I did go ahead and use the can 2 flaxseed oil just to kind of smooth everything out and defrizz it a little bit so you guys can see how nice and clean the curls are. I did go ahead and throw the hair over and blow dry it a little bit just to kind of make sure the curls are defined. So pretty much air dried / blow dry for about like an hour or so. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty, guys. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Let me pull it back so you guys can see what it's looking like right here. Very, very natural. Like, look at that. Very natural. Very, very natural. I was gonna do little sideburns, but I said, you know, forget the sideburns because these are pretty close down to the sideburn area. But I want to keep it clean so you guys can see the hairline and how pretty this hairline is, guys. So I will leave all the information down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this beautiful 13 by 6. All right, guys, so I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this lovely unit here from RPGhair.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.